Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Here is your math teacher, and today I am going to teach you multiplication by using number line. So here we'll fill some missing numbers by using the number line. For example, count in sevens and fill in the missing numbers. So here you will see that here we will start from 7 and we want to fill in the missing number. So how? So for this we use the number line and then we can fill the missing numbers easily. So look at this number line. So here you can see we have a number line and we have arranged this number line according to the 7, or the gap between the two numbers is 7, or you can say the gap between the two numbers is 7 digits, or when we start and when we go from 0, so we jump or 7 digits ahead, or you can say we land on 7. So here you can start from 7, and when you hope for 7 digits ahead, or there is a gap between the two numbers is 7, so you can say when you add 7 into 7, your answer will be 14, or you will land on 14. So we write 14 here in the missing number. So when you again start jumping from 14, or you can say you add 7 digits in 14, so what will your next digit or next number? Yes, your next number will be 21. So you hop from 14 and you land on 21. So we write here 21 in the gap, and when you start jumping from 21, so your next digit will be, yes, 28. So it means when you add 7 into 21, your next number will be 28. So you will land on 28. So you write 28 here in the missing numbers. Now when you start again from 28, so you land over 35, because when you add 7 into 28, your next digit will be 35. So you write 35 here in the gap, or here in the missing number. So when you start jumping again from 35, so you reach on 42, or you land on 42. So it means when you add 7 into 35, your answer will be 42. So again we jump from 42 and we land over 49. Yes, when you add 7 or you count in sevens, your answer will be 49. So then you write here 49, and same like you start jumping and you get your answer, and it means 7 hoops of 7 or 7 groups of 7 is equal to 49. So you can complete your missing numbers by using the number line. Now look at the next example. Count in sevens and fill in the missing numbers, and here you can see you will start from 0. So How can we fill these missing numbers? Yes, again we will use the number line. So look at the number line here. When you start jumping from 0 and you will count in 7, so your answer will be yes. When you start from 0 and you count in 7s, your answer will be 7. So you write 7 here in the missing number. Means you have add 7 into 7, or you can say the gap between 0 or in your one jump is 7. So next, when you jump from 7, so you add your next jump, you add 7 into 7, your answer will be 14. So you will land on 14. So we write 14 here in the missing numbers. Next, when you jump from 14, or in other words, when you add 7 into 14, so you get 21. So you land over 21. So we write here 21 in the gap. And then when you start jumping from 21, so then you reach over 28. So your next jump have 7 digits and the gap between 21 and 28 is 7. So you land over 28. So we write here 28 in the missing numbers. Now we again jump from 28 and then 28, we add 7 into 28, then we get 35. So you land over 35 and we write here 35 in the missing numbers. So when you again jump from 35, so you land over 42, because when you add 7 into 35, you get 42. So your answer will be 42. So like that, you can jump and you can write the missing numbers by using the number line. Now look at the next example. Here you can see again count in sevens and fill in the missing numbers. So it means now you start from 21 and when you jump from 21, your next digit will be 28. So like that, by using again the number line, we find the next missing numbers. So look at the number line again. Here, now you start jumping from 21. So when you start from 21, so you, in other words, when you add 7 into 21, your answer will be 28. So you land over 28. So you write 28 in the missing numbers. And when you jump from 28, so your gap between the digits is 7. So you get 35. So it means when you add 7 into 28, your answer will be 35. So you write 35 here in the missing numbers. And then when you start again jumping from 35, so you reach on 42. So how can you reach on 42? Yes, the gap between the two numbers here, we are using 7. So when you add 7 into 35, you get 42. So you land over 42 and then you write here 42 in the missing numbers. And again, we jump from 42 and where we land? Tell me please. Yes, when we jump from 42, we land over 49. So your answer will be 49. So we write 49 here in the missing numbers. Then again, we start jumping from 49 and we reach, and when you add 7 into 49, so you get 56. So your answer will be 56. So we write 56 here in the missing number. So in this way, by using the number line and the gap between the numbers is 7, or you count in sevens, and you can complete all missing numbers like that by using the number line. So I hope you can understand how to fill the gaps or count in sevens and fill in the missing numbers by using the number lines. Keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.